Hello, my cruising friends. Jeff here with Backroads Tourist. There's a lot of news coming out from Princess Cruise Lines, and it's all good. If you're a fan of Princess like my wife and I are, you're going to love these developments. Let's start with a quick recap. I reported last week about how Princess is offering cruisers who choose the Princess Plus or Princess Premier packages a very appealing offer. If you book a cruise sailing between August 1st and December 1st of this year, and you have the Plus or Premier package, Princess is going to give you double cruise credit. That's going to help you on your climb up the Captain Circle loyalty program tiers. I think that's a great offer, and we're probably going to look at this a little bit more closely because we've been talking about booking our next cruise this fall. The next two stories are all about the pricing of your Princess cruise, and I think you're going to like what you hear. But before I get into that, I'd like to urge you to give this video a like to help get it recommended to others. Also, please consider subscribing to the Backroads Tourist channel. Every week I bring you several videos on cruise news and reviews, as well as tips and tricks that you'll want to know before your next cruise. And as if that weren't enough, I also pepper in a video every now and then about weird, quirky, and amazing places all around the United States. So please click that subscribe button and let me entertain you with these videos. I certainly would appreciate it. Princess Cruise Lines is joining several other cruise lines in saying, hey, what you see is what you get when it comes to pricing. A new consumer protection law in California just went into effect. This law calls for more transparency when it comes to prices, and up until now, that's been seriously lacking in the cruise industry. If you're an experienced cruiser, you know exactly what I mean. You'll find a great deal on a cruise, but by the time they added in the taxes, the fees, the port charges, that deal really wasn't so great anymore. This new California law, Senate Bill 478, requires all cruise lines to include all mandatory fees and costs in their advertised price. Many cruise lines, including Princess, are finding it easier to switch their advertising to comply with the California law rather than try to figure out how to have separate advertising just for California. So be warned, it's going to look like the prices have jumped, but they really haven't. It's just that the advertised price now includes taxes and port fees. Also, be warned that gratuities are still not included in the advertised price. Since gratuities can technically be adjusted or even removed, they aren't considered mandatory fees. Charges for specialty dining, spa treatments, corkage fees, and some other items are also considered to be optional and are not required to be disclosed in the advertised price. And as long as we're talking about price, listen to this. For a limited time, Princess is offering a low price guarantee. That's right, you'll get the best possible rates for your 2025 and 2026 cruises. They're calling it the Better Than Best Price Guarantee. And here's how it works. If you book a cruise and you find a lower price for the same cruise, same stateroom category, and same sail date before your final payment, Princess will match the lower rate. But they don't stop there. Not only will they match the lower rate, but they'll also give you 120% of the difference in onboard credit. That'd be a nice addition to your onboard bank account. But if you want to take advantage of this, you need to get moving. You have to make your booking between July 1st and September 2nd of this year. Booking early is a smart thing to do anyway. According to Princess, the demand for 2025 voyages is already about 30% higher than usual. Now, if you do find a better deal, you need to submit a guaranteed claim form to get the Better Than Best Price guarantee. And the final Princess story for today takes us back to the days before cable TV, when we watched The Loveboat on network TV. The Loveboat was filmed on the original Sun Princess, the Island Princess, and the Pacific Princess. The Loveboat aired for an astounding 10 seasons. Now Princess is allowing you to relive those days with a special Loveboat Cruise traveling from New York City and visiting Canada and New England from August 31st to September 7th on the Enchanted Princess. And guess who you'll be sailing with? Jill Whalen, who played Captain Stooping's daughter Vicky. Also, Bertie Copel, who played Doc, Fred Grandy, who played Gopher, and Ted Lang, who played Isaac. Ezra Freeman from the reality series The Real Love Boat is also going to be on the sailing. There's going to be lots of Love Boat activities, meet and greets, photo opportunities, and for you hopeless romantics, a symbolic renewal of vows ceremony. And for an additional $450, you can get a VIP package that's going to feature several exclusive experiences, including a cocktail party, reserved seating for the Q&A session, and front-of-the-line access for meet and greets. If you're a fan of the original Love Boat series, this could be a fun cruise for you. Hey, thanks again for watching today. I do appreciate it. Remember to like and subscribe. I'm Jeff, and I hope to see you on a future cruise.